Hi, my name's Ned, and welcome to Smithcast. Today, I was hoping to do some sand casting. I'm sorry about the sound. I forgot to lift the mics, so and hopefully the camera's picking this up. Well, today we do some sand casting, and we're using as a pattern. We're using some styrofoam. So here's the foam. These little figures are made by an artist, Bob Slone. We have 3 of these little figures to do. So what we have to do is we're going to bury these little things in the sand. So we're going to pack these in. They're not going to be removed from the mold. So this guy will be inside the actual sand cast itself and the sand mold itself in the box. The downspray will be hitting him, and there might be a runner system coming up and hitting elsewhere, and vents, lots of vents, to try and get rid of the gas at the same time as it's running through, burning this away, and then filling the void with bronze. Now, the thing is, the gases that come off this stuff are really toxic. So if you are doing this, please do it outside, do it over a lean-to or a well-vented room. This has got lots of leaks, this room, so it's fine. I've got vents here. So it's a word of warning, because the stuff that comes off this gas is pretty toxic stuff. It's not great stuff to be inhaling. Anywho, saying that, we're still going to go ahead with it. We've made up some wooden boxes for these, some singular wooden boxes for these, and another piece that has come along, the piece that I want to make myself. So these will go, the first bottom drag will be turned upside down. This guy will be sitting in here. I'm support it with some sand. Then hopefully this is coming across okay. Then he's going to be packed in there and vented, turned over like this. So this is the top of the mold. There'll be a kind of a parting line made here. We're not worried so much because we're not removing the pattern. We're just kind of trying to get the next box to fit on top. Then when the 2 boxes go on top like this, the next box, he's in the middle here. We're packing this out. We've got our running system, our runners, our vents coming off. Pack them out, clean them off, clamp them up here, and then we're going to pour in here, and it burns out and vents and burns at the same time. You know, so hopefully we get the run and we fill it out. Then we crack open, and there, glory hallelujah, there it is, the lovely bronze. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So hopefully we'll get these guys turned into bronze. It's kind of like a lost wax process where you burn out your pattern of wax in the ceramic shell. It's gone. Same with these. You know, you're going to put in a lot of detail into these. Although these foam is tricky stuff to work with. You can get high density foam as well to carve into. I've seen some nice things being made that way. So I'm getting off tune, so let's get stuck into this, and God, it is so cold. I need to get the furnace lit. Okay, here we've got the bottom drag. This is the top box. So what we want to do is flip this one, and we're going to put it this way. The figure itself is in here. I'm going to put a little bit of sand down to kind of support him as we're nabbing this piece. There's a little bend this way, so we're just going to put some sand down, and then we're going to put some oil sand on, and we're going to, this will be the bottom of the box here we're doing now. Okay, so what I've used is these paintbrushes just to kind of, I think, 2 vents, and about that much there will go in here. Yeah, I'm going to try that. Set this little box up. Okay, so what we have here is the top box, and we've turned it over. Made sure the whole boom is going down onto this, and we've got 2 large vents each side. And now what I'm going to do on this side is I'm actually just going to vent through here. I'm just going to go through the figure and just pierce down into here. And I think this kind of helps just release a little bit of that gas. These pins should line up. Famous last words. Homemade boxes. Okay. We're down and on. Slip onto that. Okay. We've got to this stage. We had to leave these overnight, that's why we've got the tin foil on them. So we've just covered up the vents, we've covered up the pouring cups. I didn't want anything to fall in. So these 3 here, these are the foam. This one is just a straightforward sandcast void being filled with bronze. So what we've got now, you can hear we've got the furnace on. So we're ready to get these guys poured. So we might just pour through the actual tin foil, take these away from the vents and pour through the tin foil. It's the same sort of idea when we're doing the ceramic shell. It's just to keep the dust out until the very last minute. So yeah, we're ready to go. Didn't come up the risers. Come up the risers in this one, but this one here, it's come up here, but I can't see it appearing here. It's not appearing in these risers. So, although I put a lot of bronze in there.
It says there's a lot of bronze in it.
Oh, there's a lot of bronze in it. The heads are full for shrinkage. So,
Just have to wait for it to go down now.
yeah, I'm just going to melt a little bit more and get this guy out of the way. Yeah. Okay, time to open these. We've just poured, but we'll try get those guys off. And then we'll go over and we'll knock it out. I think we'll just drop the whole lot in this one. I clamped up everything. I didn't trust my own little clamps, but they held well. So just get rid of these clamps. Nice good city. So I'm going to take this one over, knock it out, and see where we are. So we'll just lift the whole thing, take it over here. Well, here, we'll get rid of these wedges here. Get rid of them off everything, so it's not on anything. Yeah, looks like we've got that one in the middle, up to the riser, up to the riser. That little bit at the top is just me in the sand, and that impression in there, that's the other impression there. Well pleased with that. We've turned the foam straight into bronze. And another thing as well, our little box has done very well, so we'll do it again for the pieces I want to make. So there we go. Really pleased with that. So next stage is to just cut this up, a wee bit of a sandblast. Okay, there we are. We have all of these cast up. So what we're going to do now is just cut off the risers and remove the downsprue. Okay, there we go. That's all the downsprues. They're pretty rough still at the minute, but Bob's going to clean these up. So that's them turned from foam into bronze. It's quite a magical process. Well, that's it. Once again, thanks for calling over. Please call again. And until the next one, keep it lit. Otherwise, it's dark.